So this is the last image I have generated. Look at the details, how detailed the work is, and hats off to them who have created this amazing AI tool. Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Akib Hassan and welcome to my official YouTube channel. This video I will show you the power of an AI. So already you have heard the name of MidJourneyAI. This is a absolutely beast which makes beautiful photos just by writing some description. So let's see how it works. So at first you have to go to this website and log in using your Discord. Then you have to click on join beta and join their Instagram Discord channel. So after that I will go to this newcomer room, newbies. So you can see everyone is typing a random command and generating beautiful and realistic images. So here I have written a command, so I will show you from scratch. So I'll just close it. You have to type slash imagine, because you are imagining something and creating a beautiful realistic image. So I have written this command before, so I will just paste it here. Let me read it out for you guys. I have written here Lal Bagh Kella, Dhaka, Bangladesh. So Lal Bagh Kella is basically a tourist spot in Bangladesh, and I have also typed tornado coming, very scary. So I will just click enter and let's see what happened. So you can see it's 8% loaded. So it's rendering the image from the scratch and you can see the progress here. So it's 42% now. So let's see how far it goes. So you can see something here. It's not clearly visible, but we can see it, right? Let's see what it can do. So it's 100%, and let's see the result here. So here is the result, and what we can do is upscale one of the images. So I will upscale the third image here. So I will press U3. It is upscaling my image. You can see the progress here. Let's see what's the result. After I have finished it, I will download the image and I will show you. For now we can see what others have generated. Beautiful collection of photos you can see here. So it's worth of time and worth of money. You can subscribe to their any plans and generate images. So for the first time maybe they offer 25 or 20 images for free. So 96% done. Let's see what happens. Yeah, here is the image. So upscale to max. Let's click it here and check out what happens. Upscaling takes little bit of time, so we have to wait because it's rendering to its full strength and it's generating high resolution image. That's why it's taking time. It's pretty incredible, isn't it? So far they have worked so hard and it's really nice. So I like this photo, so I will just copy some of his command and I will paste it with different variations to see how it goes. I really liked it how he has generated those images. It's really beautiful. Click on open original. So the photo. It's not as that good I expected, so I will try a new command with you guys. So you have to type slash imagine, it's a prompt, and you have to type your command afterwards. Okay, so I'll type girl on a rickshaw, as rickshaw is very popular in Bangladesh. So girl on a rickshaw, then I will just leave the rest of the command and press enter. I think it will come out very realistic and very pretty much beautiful. I really like the result how it came. So maybe it's 100% done, so I have to upscale that. So what, so let's upscale it. I will upscale both of the four images. I'm not quite sure what it has done, but I'm not happy with the variation, so I will be using the previous images. This photo came out really good. Hmm. So this photo I also like this photo, so I will upscale to max. I'll click here and open original so that the original image can render. You can see this image came out really good, and I will definitely save this image because I really liked it. So I'll go to the next image, download this photo now, upscale to max. Let's find out the max photo. Where is the, so you can check the variation when you upscale. You can use whatever you like, so I'm just showing you the difference between two images. Let's go to the my last image. Here it goes, open original. I will just download this image because I really love this image. So let's go to the downloads folder. So I'll show you what I have generated so far. So this is the last image I have generated. Look at the details, how detailed the work is, and hats off to them who have created this amazing AI tool. So the next image, you have already seen it. This is the images I have generated earlier today. So I'll also show you the images. So you can also type comments and generate amazing beautiful images. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to reply you. Thank you so much.